Hey guys, in this video I want to show you where to find promo codes for Shadow Fight 4. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to use my web browser. I'm going to head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box I'm going to type in Shadow Fight 4 promo code. And then I'm going to click the search. And now as you can see we're brought to the Google search results, and we can right off the bat here we can check out Reddit for promo codes, which sometimes they get posted there. But for this demonstration I'm going to be using, you can even use Gaming Hypes or UCN Game for promo codes. So for this one here I'm going to be using UCN Game because I have the most updated August 2024. We can check out this one here, but as it says here it's the 2nd of June, so if you, more than likely you're going to be watching this video later dates, just these dates and times will change, so be mindful of that. So I'm going to click on UCN Game, scroll down, and let's have a look at these promo codes. So here we go. Here we've got a code here, so copy and paste this code at Shadow Fight 4 to redeem 100 luck chips and 10 tournament tickets. And it shows you how to do here, how to redeem Shadow Fight 4 promo codes. So it's a good article to read. It even shows you how to get new gift codes, etc. Yeah, so this is a pretty handy site to check out.